Meaning of indices.
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 Indices. The term indices refers to plural of the word index. An index is a list or system used for organizing information or data. Indices are commonly used in various fields, such as finance, mathematics, and science, to provide a way of tracking changes or trends over time. For example, stock market indices track the overall performance of a specific group of stocks, while scientific citation indices track the number of times an academic research paper has been referenced by other scholars. In summary, indices are tools for organization and analysis of information that allow for easy tracking of changes and trends.